A void of course moon is not an out of balance moon. The void of course moon is when the moon is in between signs. So, for example, we just had a full moon in Cancer, and in the latest degrees of when the moon was in Cancer, it made a trine to Neptune because Neptune is in Pisces, late degrees of Pisces right now. So, moon made a trine to Neptune, and then when it left that trine, it went void of course before the moon moved into a new sign, which is Leo. And that literally happens every 48 hours. What I used to find the void of course moons is my astrology planner. It has them listed on the days that the moon will go void of course and what times it will be void of course. The out of balance moon is more rare. It can happen like normally the out of balance moon happens like once a month. And that lasts for a span of like 16 years. And then every 18 years, the out of balance moon happens a lot, about every other week or twice a month, for like 10 days out of every month, about 30% of the time. And what an out of balance moon is, how this differs from a void of course, right? So void of course, I explained, is when the moon is moving to a new sign. The out of balance moon is when the moon is out of its normal ecliptical range. The declination of the moon is outside of its normal set of degrees that it moves through. My blog post on the out of balance moon explains it more if that like didn't make sense, or it helps you to read it. I also have a class on the out of balance moon in my membership, and I just launched my ebook guide for the 2024 out of balance moon dates, because we are currently in a rare point in time because of where the North and South node are, where the out of balance moon is going to be happening a lot more often for the next year or two.